The OOTD Pro is cooked. Isn't a piece missing? This is it, you see it? Sheet mud blow ups. The OOTD is finally running again. Okay, my friends, so what happened?
I do not have any
So
clue.
we are traveling on that path, you know. We came from there, from around that basketball court, and he was backing up basically. He wanted to pour some concrete there, and I stopped and I wanted to go back, but I felt like the scooter was pushing me back, like it was not allowing me to reverse, you know. And I stood there and I took it from here. What the fuck? And I took it from there, from that metal thing, and lift it, and then I saw that my suspension was done, and I don't know how, but from there to here, yeah, this happened. Yeah, boss, GG.
We are cool.
So the OOTD Pro is cooked. And if you are wondering what is that plastic cover, that's from mud. I also got him one, and no, that did not wear out the suspension or affect the damages. Oh, and look at the glue there, goddamn. So yeah, the OOTD is cooked. Okay, I'm gonna take the plastic cover off.
I suggest
Are
you
you
wear. I suggest you wear the glove because if you get electrocuted,
Sure, bro, sure. Yeah. It ripped apart. Like,
my guy.
look at this. It ripped freaking apart. It's ripped apart. Isn't a piece missing? Oh, it's under the. So after this goes, we need to find it. Let's see. So I came through here. Look it. This is it. You see it? So this is the little shittle thing that just it totaled my e-scooter basically. Okay, so basically now the suspension is at the right place, but it's staying like that only because of the pressure. So the weight, this is pushing the suspension down and it's compressing it, so it has enough force to stay in that position. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, my friend, so now because this is a recovery mission, we need to be extremely careful with the OOTD.
You're the last one standing. Complete the mission. Now the worst thing.
But you see how big is the rebound? Look, like this is normal pose.
The worst thing that could happen.
Yeah, the
now,
hydraulic on the brake is just kaput.
The worst thing that could happen now, knock on wood, is your brake fluid spills. Knock on wood.
Let's not even think about that. Touch, you know.
The thing is that even with your scooter broken, you still have better brakes than me.
Yeah, at least that.
And I thought you were gonna ride till 4 o'clock.
Yeah, but you know, things happen. I wonder what's in the box. Well, it's my brand new suspension! Okay, so first we need to secure the scooter with some blocks, then we need to get rid of all the rope and accessories. After that, you need to unscrew the bolts with a lot of force, but not too much because you're gonna end up as me and you will need to make a hole because the screw is gonna turn out into a circle and only after a long struggle it's gonna break through. Then we move on to the brake light and look how weird the scooter is without it. I'm not opening the deck, so I have to connect the wires manually, but first I need to cut the jacks. So this is a very important thing that I noticed. So this is the new taillight, right, that they sent me because the old one broke. So you see how on the old one the wires are coming on the bottom part. They actually custom made this one to come from the back, so not the bottom, from the back, because this rubbed on my tire and that's why I don't got a backlight anymore. So they did it for caution. This is a very good thing that they done actually. After that, we need to connect them and check if they are all the same. So apparently and unfortunately, the wires are getting all the possible energy that the battery can give them. So right now, if I turn on the lights, this will show like around 56 volts, and that's way too much for a freaking 12-volt signal. So if I connect them, this might blow up, so I'm not really gonna do that. So unfortunately, the OTD will have no signals. Now we move on to the soldering process, where my dad is helping because for some other reason he won't allow me to use the soldering device alone. And after the last check, we can assemble all of it together. Also, don't forget to put Loctite on every single screw. Finally, a good suspension. Oh holy, I forgot how stiff the suspension is at first. And now we need to bleed the back brake because it came loose. First, you need to unscrew the bolt and get a syringe and mineral oil bottle. After that, using the syringe, extract the fluid and put it in the hole while you're pushing and releasing the brake. With that action, the fluid gets pushed by the piston in and the air gets out. So that's basically my own way of bleeding the brakes. I don't think this is the right way to do it, but this is how I'm doing it, and it worked. Now look at this new beautiful backside of the scooter. After 2 weeks of waiting, the scooter is finally back online. And to officially end the repair of the OTD, we're gonna do this. God damn, it felt so satisfying. So yeah guys, the OTD is finally running again. I'm gonna put another plastic fender because I don't want to get mud on the suspension, but that's a really good idea to do. If you also have spring suspensions, you should put some guards on it in order that water wouldn't get in, you know, and all of the other things. Also, I need to say that the suspension and the new brake light were covered by the OTD, so they were shipped on the warranty, so they were free. I only needed to install them, and as always, thank you so much for watching till the end. See you next time. Bye bye. Also use code cookie on the OTD site for some discount.